In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the WooCommerce mobile app. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to Plugins, then select Add New. This is where you can search for and install additional tools that help your website connect with other services. In this case, we're preparing your store so it can communicate properly with the WooCommerce mobile app. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, search for Jetpack. When it appears in the results, click Install and then Activate. Jetpack is important here because it helps create the connection between your WooCommerce store and the mobile app. If your site doesn't already have it installed, this is a required step, so make sure the plugin is both installed and activated before moving on. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to connect your site to a WordPress.com account. The setup flow may vary slightly depending on your site, but just continue through the connection process as prompted. This part is what allows the mobile app to securely recognize and access your store. Take your time here, and if any permissions are requested, review them carefully and continue. Now switch over to your phone and open the App Store if you're using iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and look for the app published by Automatic. That's the official version you'll want to install. Go ahead and download the app to your device. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Login. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your store URL. Type in your store's web address carefully, since even a small typo can prevent the app from finding your site. After entering the URL, tap the option to connect to your store. At this point, the app should begin linking to your WooCommerce store using the setup you completed earlier with Jetpack and your WordPress.com connection. If everything was configured correctly, you'll be taken into your store dashboard inside the app, where you can start managing orders, checking products, and monitoring store activity right from your phone. If you run into any issues, double check that Jetpack is active on your site and that your store URL was entered correctly in the app. Those are the most common things that can interrupt the connection process, and that's how to connect the WooCommerce mobile app.